Welcome back to Slow English with Adi. Today, we learn phrases about the weather. People in the USA and UK talk about the weather every single day. It is one of the most common topics in English conversation. So, let us learn how to talk about the weather together in English. Let us start with sunny weather. In English, we say, "It is a beautiful day today." Say it slowly. It is a beautiful day today. We also say, "The sun is really strong today." Slowly. The sun is really strong today. In the UK, people say, "Lovely day, isn't it?" This is a very common British phrase. Lovely day, isn't it? We also say, "Let us make the most of the sunshine." Make the most means enjoy it fully. Let us make the most of the sunshine. Now, let us talk about cold and rainy weather. In England, it rains a lot. In English, we say, "It is raining outside." Say it slowly. It is raining outside. We also say, "Do not forget your umbrella." Slowly. Do not forget your umbrella. In the UK, people say, "It is absolutely miserable out there today." Miserable weather means cold, wet, and gray. Now, let us talk about cold winter weather. In English, we say, "It is absolutely freezing today." Say it slowly. It is absolutely freezing today. We also say, "Wrap up warm before you go out." Slowly, wrap up warm before you go out. Wrap up warm means put on warm clothes. In the UK, people say, "It is bitter out there today." Bitter means extremely cold. It is bitter out there today. We also say, "There might be frost on the ground this morning." Say it with me. There might be frost on the ground this morning. Frost is frozen water on the ground. Now, let us talk about windy weather. In English, we say, "It is very windy today." Say it slowly. It is very windy today. We also say, "Hold on to your hat." This is a fun English phrase when the wind is very strong. Hold on to your hat. When the wind is gentle, we say, "There is a nice breeze today." There is a nice breeze today. Breeze means a light and pleasant wind. In the UK, people say, "It is blowing a gale out there." A gale means very strong and powerful wind. It is blowing a gale out there. Every morning, people check the weather forecast. In English, we say, "Let me check the weather forecast." Say it slowly. Let me check the weather forecast. We also say, "What is the weather going to be like tomorrow?" Slowly. What is the weather going to be like tomorrow? The forecast might say, "It will be cloudy with a chance of rain." Say it with me. It will be cloudy with a chance of rain. In the UK, people say, better take a brolly just in case. Brolly is the British word for umbrella. Better take a brolly just in case. Wonderful work today. Let us quickly review all our weather phrases. 1. It is a beautiful day today. 2. Lovely day, isn't it? 3. It is raining outside. 4. Do not forget your umbrella. 5. It is absolutely freezing. 6. Wrap up warm before you go out. 7. There is a nice breeze today. 8. Hold on to your hat. 9. Let me check the weather forecast. 10. Better take a brolly just in case. Practice these phrases every single morning when you look outside. Talk about the weather in English every day. Your English will grow every single day. Thank you so much for watching today. I really hope these weather phrases helped you. Every morning, when you wake up, look outside and try to describe the weather in English. Is it sunny? Is it raining? Is it cold? Say it out loud. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English with Audie for a brand new simple English video every single week. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Keep practicing. And whatever the weather, have a wonderful day. Goodbye for now.